My name is Carlos Moraes. I'm one of the Almost project managers. We're here in New Brunswick at one of the latest Roy Rocks projects. They're setting up Megalite behind us. They're going to be pouring some columns shortly. They got it down to a T, and I couldn't have asked for a better crew to set this up.
My name is Jean-Pierre. I'm the foreman of Roy Rocks. We're here on New Brunswick. We're doing a building for Russo. This is a 3-story building, 20,000 yards of concrete. We use UMA stuff here. We use Megalite right now to do walls and columns. So on phase 1, we're using just for the foundation, we use Megalite. So a couple of weeks, we start phase 2, we started installing shoring stuff. I've been working with UMA since 7 years ago when I started construction. I like to use UMA stuff. All the products are perfect. We like to use, we move faster, we know the system. When we call UMA, they always help us. They always answer our calls. When we need something, they there for us.